Friends, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you a new app made by me, and its name is Gravity Laws. So it will be talking about gravity as the name suggested, and it is talking about gravity and its laws. So now I'm going to show you the code about it, and then we will preview the app next. So I've made an initialized app variable name. So it will be giving the list of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. At it says, and I have given the list of gravity, which the list of gravity is here, which I have searched in Google and I set it here. And initialize app variable gravity is the gravity, the gravity work will be done by this variable, count will be done by this variable, speed will be done by this variable speed. As the name suggested, it will be talking about speed, and it will be telling how it works. Initialize app variable gcal. What is gcal? You will be noticing that it is saying gravity calculation. All the gravity calculation will be done by this, means how much speed the object is falling on the planet. It will be naming like this. And planet count, it will be counting our planet, intelligent black hole, check black hole. Like this, I have made many variables for the use of this. Slider on value change means when you will change this slider, it will be what it will be doing. So I have made a simple code that app variable gravity to value, means the gravity will be changing, of course. So I have put it this value code here, and set app variable calculation, gravity calculation, to 2 into variable gravity. Means the calculations will be 2 into app variable gravity, and the app variable speed, the speed would be round square root app variable g calculation into 10,000. So means if the gravity is 3.7, it will be multiplied by 2, and after that the speed will be checked by the g calculation only. So it is very much important, round square, after that square root app variable gcal into 10,000, and after that set calculated speed text app variable speed, means the calculated speed text. The text I have named as calculated speed to remember that which calculated speed it is. So for that I have used this variable. So it as it will be name doing like this, the app variable speed will be showing here. So I have put it here. Now I will be forming towards the screen one. The screen one talks about app variable count. When you what would be if screen one opens, the app variable count of the planets will be +1, means the app variable count is 0. So +1 means it will be showing Mercury at the starting. The gravity of Mercury, as we know, it is 3.7. It will be showing at the starting, as it is Mercury on the starting only. The app variable g calculation, 2 into app variable gravity, means the gravity calculation in 2 into app variable gravity would be app variable speed round square app variable g calculation into 100. We have reversed this formula here, and we are using this is here because of the screen when opens it is. And this says that on value change is different, and screen one opens is different. So calculated speed text will be app variable speed. We are showing this double because it to know the app, that to know the thunkable, that it is important. So we are writing it double. So please so you can also try this, and you can write double it, and you will see that the app is taking it seriously for showing it. Set slider one on value change. So app variable gravity would be slider one's on value change. The gravity will be saying about slider one value. Planet name will be Mercury, as that it is starting. Gravity selected test to app variable gravity, and sets sprite to image number to app variable planets. So app variable planets will be sprite to image number. means the app variable planet is 2, then it will be showing Venus. If app variable planet number is 3, it will be showing Earth, like this. And when sprite type 1 is clicked, what will be showing? When I clicked on the apple, what it will be showing? So it will be showing 5 images at the random integer from 1 to 5, like this. When we click on the start button, what should it do? It should, the apple should fall on the planet itself. So to do this, I have used the if do else block, and app variable check black hole is equals to set. Means this is for the app variable. If the black hole is equals to set, then only this will work, this 3 points. And if it doesn't same, then this 2 points will work. So I will explain one by one. Set label to text to set means if the app variable black hole is equal to set, then point towards set label to set text means the text will be set. So for the text you can use this block also, join this block, empty string block, or else you can use ping block also. So I'm now using this block for this, and you can write here set. And now point towards sprite 3, sprite 1 towards sprite 3. So I will explain that sprite 1 is apple and sprite 3 is black hole. Sprite 1 speeds to 10,000 in pointing direction, mean this sprite 1 speed should be 10,000 in the pointing direction. The black hole speed is more, so I have put it 10,000, and it is not approximately means accurate, so I have put it 10,000 means point sprite 1 towards sprite 2. If this formula doesn't work like that, then sprite 1 towards sprite 2 means the sprite 1 is, as you know, apple, and the sprite 2 would be planets. So planet sprite 1 should fall on the planets, and the sprite 1 speed should be app variable speed in pointing direction. So you will be saying that why you have not used 1000 like this I have used in this. So no, we cannot, because the app variable speed is calculating the speed of the planet. So we cannot use like this. For this, we have that's why we have used the app variable speed for the planets and different speed for the black hole. Or else it will be showing like this only, means same only. It, the apple will be falling on the same speed, no different will be there. That's why when the sprite 2 is clicked, means sprite 2, we have studied now about means we have checked about start button. Sprite 1 clicked means apple click. Now we will look out when the sprite 2 is clicked, what will happen. Means this, if we click sprite 2, what will happen? The sprite 1's value will be changing to x150 y0, means at the bottom position. And set app variable planet count to app variable planet count plus 1. The planet count of the app variable should be changing circumstantially, means it will be changing one by one. If it's Mercury, it should change into Venus. If it is Venus, it should change into Earth. If we click like this, so it should change like this. I have given the code. And so we have used here a numeric value. So for knowing that app that we are using numeric value, we should give the formula into numeric value. That's why I have used if do block. If app variable planet count is greater than 8, means we are using that 1 plus here it is Mercury, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, like this. If it comes 8 plus 1 9, so ninth planet is not there, and we have not put it the image also. So for that we are using this block, that if it happens like this, the app variable planet count should be gone to 1, means it will be gone to the Mercury only. This is my call. And app variable gravity to in list app variable list of gravity. So this list of gravity I have as shown here at the starting initialize app variable. Here you can see that list of gravity. This is the list of gravity. Now the list of gravity, when I done, what will happen? Like this, I have given the code. So the list of gravity, when it is list of gravity get, means when we get the list of gravity, what will be the planet count? Means if we have given the 3.7 and it comes like Venus, no, it doesn't. It has to be Mercury. If it is the gravity of Mercury, should the planet should be also shown is the Mercury only. So for this we have given the list option and app variable gravity into 2. The G calculation to app variable gravity into 2. The calculation of variable gravity, gravity calculation should be app variable gravity into 2, like this. And the app variable speed should be round square root app variable gcal into 10,000, and the slider one value change to app variable gravity is app variable gravity. The planet name should be in the list, so it should not be like that it is showing Mercury and the planet name should be Venus. It will be enormous. So for that we are using this block, set gravity selected to app variable gravity. Means gravity, this label to should be same only, or else it will be different, so we will be not understanding the advantages of that planet, or else the gravity of that planet. Set a calculated speed text to app variable speed. Now let's check the, so now I have given this code, and last two codes are when sprite 2, sprite 1 collides with sprite 2, wait 1 second and stop all sprites on collides 2. Means it will change collides too. Means if the sprite one is if the sprite one is bouncing on the sprite 2, it should stop at that second and stop all sprites on slide 2. Means will stop on the sprite 2, means at its own position. And sprite 1 collides with sprite 3, the wait for 0.01 seconds and stop all sprites and collides too. It should collide on the second one only, not at the first one. Now let's check the live test it, and now you can see that click on the planet to change the planet, same with object. Check the phone to know about black hole. The gravity of the gravity of Mercury is 3.7. The speed of the object towards the planet is 272. Gravity of black hole is, the black hole gravity will be shown, I will show you later. Now when this is Mercury and this is apple. When I clicked on the apple, it is going to be star. When I click on the star, it will be going to panda, after that rock, and after that once more time star. So I will take apple as at the starting. Yes. Now when I click on this, the it is falling at a speed of 272 kilometer per hour, 272 kilometer per hour. Now the gravity is 3.7 of the Mercury, and when we will increase this power and reset and increase into 207, this will be very fast. Why it is very fast? Because it is 707, the most highest speed. So that's why. So I will reset the speed. Now I will go Venus, and this Venus gravity is 8.87, the speed is 421, and when I click start, it will be at this normal speed. Reset, change the planet Earth in 9.8443 is the speed. Reset, change the planet to Mars. Start. It is going at the slow speed because 3.7 was the gravity, 272 is the speed. Same as the Mercury only. Reset. Then Jupiter's speed is high because it is so means big, and it gravity is 24.79. It is very much high, and 704 is the highest means speed. Reset. Saturn, this speed is also it is normal because it is equal to, or it is one more than Earth speed, gravity means, and the speed is 457. Reset. Now it will be Uranus. Start at the 421 it is, and 8.87. Reset. Neptune. Neptune, it would be gravity 11.15. The speed of object towards the planet is 472.